Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very interesting topic on third-party versus comprehensive insurance. When it comes to car insurance, you have probably heard these two terms over and over again, third-party and comprehensive. Everyone tells you to get insurance, but nobody really breaks down what type you actually need, what each one covers, or why one is more expensive than the other. Today, you're getting the full breakdown in a clear, engaging way, so you can finally make a confident decision about your protection. Let's dive in. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So, let's begin. Why car insurance matters more than you think. Before choosing a plan, it's important to understand the purpose of car insurance in the first place. At its core, insurance protects you from unexpected financial losses, accidents, damages, theft, or injuries. Without insurance, a single mistake on the road could cost you more than the price of your entire car. Insurance doesn't just save money, it saves you from major stress, legal trouble, and long-term financial setbacks. That's where the two major types come in. 1. What exactly is third-party insurance? Third-party insurance is the most basic type of coverage you can buy. In many countries, it's the minimum legal requirement. Think of third-party as the simplest safety net. It doesn't protect your own car, it protects other people from damage you might cause. Here's what third-party insurance covers. Damage to another person's car or property. If you hit someone's bumper, scratch someone's door, or damage someone's fence, your insurance will pay for it. Injuries to other people. If someone gets hurt in an accident that you caused, your insurance covers medical or legal costs. Legal liabilities. If you get sued because of the accident, third-party insurance helps cover the expenses. What third-party does not cover is just as important. It does not repair your own car. It does not cover your own injuries. It does not protect you against theft, fire, or vandalism. 2. What is comprehensive insurance? Comprehensive insurance is exactly what the name implies. More complete, more protective, and more balanced. It covers everything third-party covers, but it also includes protection for you and your car. Here's what comprehensive insurance typically includes. All third-party liability coverage, damage to your own car, theft protection, fire damage, flood damage, or natural disasters, vandalism, collision damage. Some policies even include medical benefits. Comprehensive coverage gives you peace of mind. You're not just protecting others, you're protecting your own investment. 3. Which one should you choose? Now let's get practical. Choosing between third-party and comprehensive insurance depends on your situation, your car's value, your budget, and your risk tolerance. Here's a simple way to think about it. Choose third-party if you drive an older or low-value car. You rarely drive or only use your car occasionally. You're on a tight budget. You want to meet minimum legal requirements without spending much. Third-party makes financial sense when repairing or replacing your car wouldn't cost too much. Choose comprehensive if your car is new or expensive. You want maximum protection. You drive frequently in traffic-heavy areas. Your area has high theft rates. You want peace of mind, knowing everything is covered. If your car is valuable, or you would struggle to pay for repairs out of pocket, comprehensive insurance is the smarter long-term investment. 4. Is comprehensive worth the extra cost? Most drivers eventually reach this question. The honest answer is simple. Comprehensive insurance costs more upfront, but it saves you far more in the long run. Third-party insurance is like a basic umbrella. It protects others, but leaves you standing in the rain. Comprehensive insurance, on the other hand, is like a full raincoat. It shields you from all sides, your car, your finances, and your peace of mind. Whether you're a new driver, a car enthusiast, or someone who simply wants clarity, choosing the right insurance type can save you thousands and protect your future. If your goal is maximum safety and long-term value, comprehensive insurance is easily the better choice. If you simply want the most affordable option, third party will get you legally covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.